Well, at 7:49, we want to check back in with Nick Bender. There's been a lot of changes when it comes to the forecast this weekend.
There have been. This is the day of preparation, Jamie. It's going to start to get a little colder on Thursday, but you'll want to have everything shored up by Friday. Sunshine over the next 12 hours. Temperatures reaching into the mid to upper 40s this afternoon, chasing 50 with a west breeze at 15, gusting to 30 miles per hour. Then it does get a little bit colder between today and tomorrow. High of 39 degrees. The Arctic air will arrive Thursday night with wind chill values dropping below zero through Friday morning. We've upgraded Friday to an alert day. The low will dip to 6, and we'll be lucky to get out of the single digits Friday afternoon. And it certainly won't feel like that with a strong north wind. So the wind chill values waking up Friday really between 5 above and could be as much as 10 degrees below zero. And then look at the wind chills through the rest of the morning into the afternoon. There is no warm up. They will remain below zero, about 5 to 15 degrees below zero. So there's the possibility that schools choose to or elect to cancel classes on Friday because of the cold, not only in the morning, but lasting through the entire day. Now that cold becomes dangerous on Saturday morning with a low of 0 and strong north winds with wind chills between -10 and -25. That -25 would be across far northern Missouri. And then that -15 would be closer to Kansas City. But that's frostbite to exposed skin within 30 minutes. The probability of accumulating snow has increased this morning from 24 hours ago, especially Saturday afternoon, overnight into Sunday morning, which will be bitter cold as well, a low of 2. And then maybe we make it to 20 Sunday afternoon, but look at the low on Monday, 3. And if we do get a snowpack down on Saturday, those Sunday, Monday temperatures are too warm. You're going to see them come tumbling down. So the wind chill values Saturday morning, this will be the coldest time of this Arctic surge. Wind chills beginning between -10 and -25 degrees, and then again remaining well below zero for the entire day. Wind chill values will not climb above zero until Sunday afternoon. So that's the cold. That's locked in. That's a guarantee. Here are where our uncertainties lie. Snow. I still think down in Oklahoma, Arkansas, maybe southern Missouri, that's going to be the thump zone for heavy snow, and there's going to be a ton of ice down there as well. We're not dealing with ice here in Kansas City. So this is Saturday morning. This is light blue, maybe too dry to get that snow down to the ground, but by late morning in the afternoon, it will begin to snow. You see some of those darker blues backing up to Kansas City Saturday evening, and then snow lasting overnight into early Sunday morning. It's very likely that this could be a long duration event into Sunday morning with very high snow liquid ratio, so a very powdery light snow that just steadily accumulates over say 36 hours, or from Saturday morning all the way into Sunday morning, Sunday afternoon. I showed this map yesterday. This swath of heavy snow has shifted a bit to the north, and our probabilities of at least 3 inches of snow have increased to 40% here in Kansas City, and then much higher to the south. So the potential of increasing snow for Saturday into early Sunday, which might result in winter weather driving conditions.